Hi, today we are going to see a topic in Oracle SQL, that is the difference between alias and rename. What is the purpose of this alias and rename? And we will see one or two differences. Okay, and we'll see the differences. SQL aliases are used to give a table or column in a table a temporary name, that is a meaningful name. I will show an example so that you can easily understand. Here we are having one table called department. In department, we are having the columns like department number, D name, and location. Yeah. Here, that here in heading, column heading, we are seeing DPT number, D name, and LOC. LOC means what? We cannot understand. D name means department name. DPT number means department number. LOC means sometimes it will be confusing. So in order to avoid this confusion, we can give one alias for that particular column. So that in column heading, that alias will be displayed. Here, I am going to write one query. Select department number, department name, and LOC as location from department. Okay. Here, I have here I am showing that syntax. Select column name as alias name from table name. An alias is created with the keyword as. With the as keyword, we can create the alias. Okay. Now I have executed that query. See, in column heading, we can see the location in full form. Instead of LOC, it displays location. So this is the way that alias is helping us to show the column heading in full form so that we can easily understand. Okay. While reporting, we should use this as keyword with alias. Without alias, we cannot display the report in a meaningful form. Okay. Now we will see what is the purpose of this rename. Okay. Sometimes we may want to rename our table to give it more relevant name. For example, here we are having one table department. I will show you now. Okay. First, I will explain this. Alter table cust rename to customer. Sometimes we might create the table with the name cust, but later on we will feel that cust is not the meaningful one. We have to give the table more relevant name. That is the meaningful one. So we are changing the table name from cust to customer by using the rename. Alter table cust, the old name, rename to new name, that is customer. Here we are having the table called a department. Already the name is department only, it's a meaningful only. Just I want to show you how we can rename it, how we can rename the table. Okay. Otherwise, I will take the EMP table. Here I am going to alter the table. That means I'm going to rename the table emp1 to employee. Okay. See the table emp1 altered. Okay. Why I have not chosen the emp means I think I have created the synonym as emp. Okay. In that list it is showing only emp1. There is no emp. That is why I have used the alter table emp1 rename to employee. Now the name is changed from emp1 to employee. That means employee is a meaningful name. emp1 is not a meaningful or relevant name. See, now the table got renamed. Okay. Now we will see some differences. Rename, it is a permanent name given to the table. Alias exists temporary, that the temporary name. It is often used to make column names more readable. I have already shown you about the column heading display, that is from LOC to location. And alias only exists for the duration of the query. But a rename, the change is permanent one. Even if you log out and log in the SQL developer, the name remains the same. And an alias is created with the AS keyword. Okay. Now we are going to see one more query, how to display the row numbers with the record numbers. This is very, very simple only. Okay. You have to use row number, department number, and then that columns, what are the columns we can choose from the department. And along with that, if we give the row number, then it will display the row number along with the records. That's the record number. Okay. Just I have zoomed it for you that you can easily see that. You can easily view. Okay. Let's start from department, and we have renamed the table from emp1 to employee, and then we have used alias LOC as location. We have used the keyword alias so that we can give that column heading as a meaningful one. Instead of LOC, we can show it to the users as location. Okay. Bottom department name and rename location from department. So it will display what? The row number and the record number. This is the way I have to implement the query. We will see about some other query in coming video. Thanks. Bye.